Right now, the biggest crisis we face in many communities isn't load shedding, it's water outages. Everywhere you look, taps are going dry, long waits for water tankers, houses left without water for days. You'll find people checking their phones on updates about water, scrambling to find any spot to get water. Some are rushing to fill buckets or bottles. Others are hunting for boreholes or storage tanks. It's not just an inconvenience, it's about whether you can cook, bathe, clean, and live with dignity. And this isn't just random or occasional. The problem goes deeper. The water delivery systems are collapsing. Pipes leak or break. Maintenance is weak, and some local authorities are spending huge amounts on emergency water tankers. But that's not enough. For many, it's become a way of life. Expect dry taps, expect disruptions, and hope you catch the next tanker. If you're watching this and you've experienced water cuts where you live, you know what I'm talking about. Maybe you're filling containers, queuing for water, or sharing with neighbors. It's stressful and it's not normal. We need to talk about this. We need to push for real solutions, proper water infrastructure maintenance, accountability, investment, not just in emergency fixes, because water is essential. It's basic human dignity. So to everyone dealing with water outages right now, you're not alone. Demand change because we deserve reliable water always.